Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today I'm going to see the topic relationship in DBMS. The previous session I explained about the ER model with examples also. When you have doubt, please kindly check the playlist. I hope that the video definitely helpful for who want to crack the exams like UGC GATE and so on. So here we see the relationship DBMS. So there are, you know what is mean table, because in table in a database can be linked to each other. Every table has some connections. Yeah, I'm using what does it- and relationship. There are the relationship between linked devices tables can be described in one of three forms. One is called, one we can say one to one we can say one to many, and one is called many to many. Let's see the example also. We'll get the clarity here. One to one. Here two tables have a two one to one relationship here. When means every record in the first table maps to one record in the second table. That means connectivity between the two tables is there. That is important one. So every table they will row and row wise data will be there. And we can say example, people is there. People, the ID is somewhat 0754 and name is there, surname is there, date of birth is there, tutor name is there, and young Scott card is there. So another table here you have information like card ID where you have four, because 4452 3377 11 82002. This represent the four name of Jane here only, and the expiry date. What is the expiry date? Scott card and with photo identity showing here. So every level, that means every here everything have a relationship. That means this table and this table relationship. Here the people has only one young Scott card, and each young Scott card is registered to only one people here. So every people ID have every young Scott card here. That's the information about the one to one. Next come to the, it's a diagram where so people has the young Scott card like that, and one to one many. One to one is here two tables have a one to one many. When means each record in the first table maps to only one record in the second table, and each record in the second table maps to multiple records in the first table. Let's see the example. We'll get the idea. Yeah, here same example again here. Sorry, table. Say people ID is there, phone name is there, surname is there, date of birth is there, school ID is there. So now in the school ID we have another table. In the table here information of the people like name and the address, postcard and telephone. So here we have one table is there. In the table we are extending another table with some other information. So whenever access the data here 204612, it will give the information about the Curry High School and the address, and also if you go and check it here, the same ID. Sorry, with the help of this name, Hari is the like this, you can get more data here. 204672 will get the information about this people ID and so on. Then next one is the here's is a diagram showing the relationship, that is people enrolled in school like that. Then go from many to one. Here the two tables have a many to many relationship when each record in the first table maps to multiple records in the second table, and each record in the second table maps to multiple records in the first table. Let's go for the example. Here same example we are going to extend. That is people record, people ID, surname, date of birth, course ID is there. We have a course ID where the course ID has the information like subject name computer science, level of the course, that is level 4 or 5, and teacher name also, Miss Stevenson like that. So we can many to one. So one people table is there. We are going to extend the course ID. So with the course ID, we can identify. For example, FHS03 is there. Where is FH03 here is there? This course done by Jack. His ID is 077 53120. And here is a diagram for people studies course here. So many people can study variety of course here, and level also different. So I hope that you have idea about the relationships one to one to many to many like that. And here it is not possible to represent a many to many relationship between two tables in the database. Remember, instead we need to have a junction table or join table in the database. This also application we can understand better way, and this information having see people, course is there, course taken is there. So have everything. Course taken becomes a joint table here, which is the course taken is the joint table here. For this two, it's a joint table here. I hope you understand about the relationship. Remaining that what are there, we'll see in the next class, upcoming session. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.